Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is Len from the hashtag Walk with Len. Welcome back to our channel. Let me ask you an honest question. What is more dangerous today? Lack of money, lack of talent, or lack of opportunity? The answer to those, the answer to this question, none of those. The most dangerous thing right now is this: feeling productive without actually doing anything. We consume information all day. All the informations today, we can be able to access it. Videos, podcast, post, tutorials. But tell me, has your life actually changed? Welcome to hashtag Walk with Lan. My dear viewers, supporters, I came across a quote that really hit me. Information doesn't change your life. Action does. It's quite simple, but it's uncomfortable because most of us already know what to do. We know we should. One, save money. Two, learn a skill. Three, invest. Four, improve our health. Five, prepare for the future. But knowing isn't the problem. The problem is doing is. For our viewers who are overseas Filipino workers, you have been saying, when I finish this contract, I will start. But years pass and there's still no emergency fund, no investments, no clear plan. Not because you are lazy, not because you are stupid, but because you stayed in the information stage too long. For the youth, you know what skills are in demand. You know what businesses are profitable. You know which careers are future proof. Yet every day looks the same. Scroll, watch, save, repeat. There is no execution. Okay, let's be real. You do not get rewarded for knowing the stock market, understanding the roadmap, having big dreams. The world rewards people who start before they feel ready, people who act despite fear, people who move even when it's uncomfortable. Knowledge makes you feel smart. My dear viewers and supporters, action makes you effective. Let me tell you a story. There are two people. They have the same job, they have the same income, both watching the same YouTube videos like hashtag walk with Lan. And please do subscribe to our channel and be a member of our YouTube channel membership. One says, I need to study more. The other says, I'll start small. 2 years later, the first has a lot of knowledge and nothing to show. The second has savings, experience, and direction. Not smarter, just braver to act. Let us all be brave to act, to execute all these plans. Why we do not act? Why do not we move? Because we are afraid of making mistakes. Yeah. Of failing publicly. Wherein maybe they will tell us, well, you don't have, you are not successful, and then you failed miserably. Of starting over. Imagine you're of this age and then you're starting all over again because of circumstances and not of what you want. Of course, of realizing we are not good at at it. Because people, the community, are quite judgmental. If you do not have the house, if you do not have the car, if you do not have this this successful journey, they will question you. Why are you so like this? But here's the truth, my dear viewers and subscribers. Every successful person you admire, they failed. Not only one, but multiple times. But what is good about them is they just did not stop. Fear doesn't disappear before action. Let me repeat that. Fear does not disappear before action, but fear disappears because of action. I remember when I bought my motorcycle, I was so afraid in driving because there were many years when I drive the first experience, the first when I drive, I drive long time ago already, but I conquered my fear so that I can be able to drive motorcycle. So, my dear subscribers and viewers, so here is my challenge to you, my kawak. After this video, take one action, not 10. Okay, not 10. Not perfect. Only one action. Just one. First, save your first 500 pesos. Save your first 500 pesos. Maybe 500 pesos is quite small to others, but this is the start that you want to have. 500 pesos. Second, open an account. There are many wallets, GCash, Maya, and others. No? GoTime. Okay? Nowadays, it's quite easy to open an account. What's the problem with that? Okay, there is no problem with it, my dear subscribers. Apply for one opportunity. Learn one tool. Start one habit. Small action today. My dear students, this small action today beats perfect plans that never happen. Do not plan, but take action. Remember this. Information opens your mind. Motivation excites your emotion. But motivation excites your emotions. But action changes your life. Action, action. If you want content that pushes you to move, not just feel inspired, subscribe to #WalkWithLan. Like, and share this video. Comment down below. I choose action today. See you in the next walk. Have a nice, great day and take action. Thank you so much and God bless you all.